This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rita Brymer. Owner is now unable to relocate here, so this beautiful custom-style home can now be yours. 11.74 cleared and wooded acreage, which is great for cattle or horses. Detached workshop with electrical. Orchard with apple and pear trees. Previous owners have footprint for garage that was to be built. Pouring footers is the next step if desired. Imagine sitting on your front porch looking at the mountains in a country setting like this. For more information, review the details below or contact Rita Brymer at 865-342-4200.